I'm seeing the term Christ is King all over the internet being used as the basis to spread anti-Semitism, hate, malice, division, racism, and all of that. And I just like to draw Catholics especially our attention to one of the commandments: thou shalt not take the name of the Lord in vain. In my view, using Christ is King in that manner as a means of thinking you're somehow superior, as a means of lying, to spread lies, as a means to spread hate, as a means of division, that's precisely what it does. It means that you're taking the name of the Lord in vain. You're using the name of the Lord for your own personal agendas.